每個時代都有嗰個時代安排嘅佈局，而產生嗰個時代嘅鍛鍊，然後到達到咁嘅階段，萬事都互相效力，就產生佢嘅百倍或者10萬倍祝福。所以你成個時代都錯過咗，你仲話要攞咩事堂嚟？唔得噶嘛！利己人受磨練、受耕耘嘅時候，你就放棄；到收割嘅時候，你話你有份。邊個農夫肯咁同你講，肯俾你嚟收割？呢個就好似我所講，你好似撳角子老虎機咁，根本都唔知信仰係乜嘢。
Each shade you write with a different hand, a unique portion across the land, a dividend of grace, a trial to face, a measured pace in this holy race. You call your own to a path untrod, to walk by faith, led only by God. We fix our eyes on Zion's light and live for you with all our might. No divided heart, no worldly part, but wholly yours, a sanctified heart.
你活喺嗰個時代，你就要做翻嗰個時代嘅嘢，你先可以 get 得翻嗰個時代嘅優勢，避開嗰個時代嘅審判。呢個時代係講緊屬天嘅，係天國嘅。神將你擺喺嗰個時代活，你就一定要唔能夠為自己而活，你係為主而活。你唔能夠成為做帶領嗰個，你都起碼做跟從嗰個啦。所以抵呢個小孩子俾神接上去嘅，因為佢係真係最尾嗰個時代當中，比其他兒女、比婦人做得更加好嘅一個榜樣。
To flee the wrath that is to come, and not to a hollow beat of a drum, but in the field where you have sown, we work until the task is known. To gather sheaves from heaven's field, the air is promised, yield revealed. Oh, labor in God's season, under heaven's sun, until the final work is done.